Welcome students. In second part of module 3, we will see what is phase diagram and its types. Before moving towards phase diagram, we will study the basic concepts related to phase diagram. First is system. A system is a group of substances subjected to changes in composition, temperature, pressure, or volume, isolated from its surrounding. System may be closed, which exchange energy but not matter with the surrounding. Second type of system is open system. Open system exchange matter and energy with its surrounding. Third type is isolated system. The system neither exchange matter nor energy with its surrounding. For example, universe. Surrounding is a rest of the universe that interacts with the system. System and surrounding are separated by a boundary. Next part is component. Macroscopic basic unit of a material is called component. Macroscopic unit of a material describes its large scale properties. Component means compounds or metals of which an alloy is composed. It includes solute and solvent. For example, in ice water system, component is H2O, that is water, which is in compound form. Next is coordinates. Coordinates are a set of values that shows an exact position on phase diagram. In phase diagram, pressure, temperature are usually used as coordinates. Also, phase diagrams plotted with temperature and alloy composition in weight percentage. Next point is solubility limit. It means maximum concentration of solute atoms that may be dissolved in the solvent. Microstructure is the structure and arrangement of crystal at microscopic level. The properties of an alloy depend on concentration of phases and how they are arranged structurally at microscopic level. The properties of an alloy depend on concentration of phases and how the phases are arranged structurally at microscopic level. So, microstructure is specified by number of phases, their proportion and their arrangement in space. Now, we will see what is phase and phase diagram. Phase is chemically and structurally homogeneous portion of a system. For example, in sugar syrup, both liquid solution and solid phases exist together in same region of diagram. At phase equilibrium, the phase characteristics of a system do not change with time under all conditions being the same. Now we see the main concept. What is the phase diagram? Phase diagram is an important tool in material science. It shows regions of existence of various phases. It is a graphical representation of physical states of substance under different conditions of temperature and pressure. It shows microstructure within a material as a function of material composition and material temperature. A typical phase diagram has pressure on y-axis and temperature on x-axis. Phase diagram illustrates the variations between the states of matter of elements or compound as they relate to pressure and temperature. Next point is Gibbs phase rule. Gibbs gives condition for thermodynamic equilibrium in the form of Gibbs phase rule. Mathematically, This rule given by capital F is equal to capital C minus capital P plus 2, where capital F is degrees of freedom, capital C be the number of components, and capital P be the number of phases of the system, and digit 2 represent two variables like temperature and pressure within the system. Gibbs phase rule can be applied for single component system, that is H2O system. The phase diagram of single component system are called as unary phase diagrams. For such a system, the Gibbs phase rule becomes capital F is equal to 1 minus P plus 2, which is equal to F is equal to 3 minus P. From the equation, we can say that when F is equal to 0, the maximum number of phases in equilibrium is 3. Let us consider unary phase diagram for single component, that is water in 3 phases: solid, liquid and gases. The point on phase diagram at which the 3 states of matter such as gas, liquid and solid coexist is called as triple point. In any one of these regions or phases, temperature or pressure may be varied with no change in phase because there are 2 degrees of freedom. At triple point, capital F is equal to 0 with specific temperature and pressure. Hence all the 3 phases, that is solid, liquid and vapor, coexist in equilibrium. Next application of Gibbs phase rule for two component system and the diagram of two component system are called as binary phase diagram. For two component system, there are 3 variables such as temperature, pressure and concentration. Concentration term is required to define composition of two components. In case of binary phase diagram, the pressure term remains constant and there is only variation in temperature and composition. For such a system, the phase rule becomes capital F is equal to C minus P plus 1. For applications in material science dealing with phase diagrams between different solid structure, pressure is often imagined to be constant at 1 atmosphere and is ignored as a degree of freedom. So, the rule is F is equal to C minus P plus 1. This is also called as condensed phase rule, but it is not applicable to condensed system which are subject to high pressure, but the effects of this pressure can be important.